Hello everyone! This time, I'll present to you a grammar lesson and translate it using Maranao language. Nouns are names of people, things, places, animals, events, and even ideas. Nouns, ngaran o dinaing betu kung mga tao, nga ninunganin, darpa, binatang, miaswaswa, agu, antangan. Examples, mga ibarat. People, mga tao. Abdul, child, wata. Teacher, guro, maestra, maestro. Things, nganin o nganin, tree, kayo. Paper, karatas, cellphone. Place, darpa, Manila. School, madrasa or eskwelahan. Market, padian. Animals, binatang or pangangayaman. Bird, papanok, ant, pila, cow, sapi. Events, miaswaswa, wedding, kawing, eleksyon, eleksyon. Ideas, antangan, peace, kalilintad, truth, sabnar, friendship, kang giginawae, fear, kalok. I hope you learned something. This is Mom Just. Till next.